Welcome back to Mini Bike some more. If you've got a creality printer and all of a sudden there's nothing coming out of the filament, out of the extruder, it's starting to print and then it stops. The odds are that the little gears in here are plugged or got some gunk in them. So what you're going to want to do is pop off this top cap here on the side of your, let's see if I can get a good picture of this here. You got a screw right here on the top. You want to take that screw out and screw down here at the bottom right there. Go on the other side here. Let's see the, see if I can get right there. There's a screw right there. You're gonna pull that out, that Allen head screw out too. That'll pull this whole thing up. You may have to cut the filament. Release this, pull it up, cut the filament, and then hopefully you can pull this whole assembly up. And once you get this whole assembly up, you'll pull in. Let me get on this other piece here, one that's already taken out, so I can give you a good view of how to do this. And I'll show you step by step. Just give me 1 minute here. There we go. That's back on there. So basically, what you're going to have is this here, but you're going to want to leave the little motor part inside there. What I'm going to show you to do, you can remove this top part here and fix it. So if you got a backup like I have a backup, you can take that part off. I'm going to pause this and I'll show you step by step how to fix this problem. All right, we're back. I got it on the workbench here. I don't have any cool camera person or nothing, so I'm going to show you the best I can here. I grabbed the wrong Allen wrench. Give me just a second. All right, we got the right Allen wrench. So you literally just unscrew this. There's two screws right here, right here. They're kind of long, so it's going to take you a minute. Once that happens, it'll separate. Once that separates, you'll get you a flathead screwdriver. You can use a putty knife, I guess, but this works best for me here. See if I can find a good place to pry. Alright, so we're going to pry this up. Ouch, and don't stab yourself, because that's what I do on a regular basis. It may be kind of a pain to get out with the filament in there, but you will get it out. See if make sure this is loose. May have a thread or two still in there. And my best advice is to get a spare one of these. If this happens, you can switch them out, go back, clean it up. Come on, thing. Alright, there we go. Alright. As you can see if I can get a better view here. Lighting kind of sucks in here, but you see that filament stuck in there. Pull it right out of there. What you're going to want to check is inside these gears here. There's sometimes this little pieces of filament get stuck in there. I don't know if you can see. Let me get a little better light. Alright, we got a little better light here. But you're going to want to take this wheel and turn it freely. The lighting still kind of sucks, but check for any little pieces of filament in there. Sometimes the filament will be a little big, get caught in there, and then it'll start binding. Just check it over real good. As soon as you get that filament out, and you check it over real good, it's really hard to see with black sometimes, but it doesn't look like there's anything in there now other than that piece that was stuck. So then you can put it back together, and as soon as you get back together, you're ready to go for the next one. And on some of these, this happens on a regular basis, so I say have a spare one of these, and it makes the switch out time really quick. You can just take this off, or take this, mess it up again, put it right back on there while it's still on the machine. You don't have to unplug anything. There's still something stuck in there, but there's got to be a piece of filament or something in there. Or maybe it's just being a pain in the butt to go back together, but that's how it goes. Oh, there we go, right back together. Just need a little persuasion. Then I always keep it on this just to make sure that it's I don't lose it. Put it back in its box. But that's how you fix that problem. Like I said, make sure to check those in between those teeth real good. Oh, I lost one of these gears. I'll have to get it put back in there. But anyways, that's something that normally happens. So, but now you know how to fix it. Like I said, make sure to keep an eye on these gears and whatnot, because obviously they fall out. All right, later. This is a single focus. So if you're wondering where that gear went, it just went right here. It's not really a gear, it's a bearing, but yeah, just make sure it doesn't fall off there when you take this apart and put it back together. But all right, so if you like this, please like and subscribe.